Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. So, these are 5 random dairy products, and yeah, let's do it. And I start off with this. This is Müller vegan, ready to drink, oat based. So, will I get friends with Miller milk again? This is the question. So, I got the banana flavor. And yeah, these 5 random dairy products we can repeat very much often. There are tons of them on the supermarket. And here we go. And this milk looks super waterish, don't it? Zoom in a little bit. And yeah, I drink it. Banana. Oh. Okay. Okay, the banana is definitely there. And it's finished with this very, very strong oat note or cereal. This is quite terrible. It's a very strong cereal finish. Anyway, I was thinking about the rate. I wanted to know the protein values. This is why I'm checking out the packaging. 0.4 grams. I think it's very bad for milk, is it? Anyways, I think this is fail. So we have something here. Dish rack. Alrighty, next product. So we wait a little bit for this. Maybe now we do something with real milk. This is from Switzerland. The company is called the Mövenpick. So there's means seagull, and I think seagulls mostly live in on the seashore and not in the mountains in Switzerland. Why is a company from Switzerland called the Seagull Pick? Anyways, this is the packaging. You can remove this cardboard if you want to. And let's see, summer edition. Looks kind of disgusting, but let's see how it tastes like. Okay. Oh my god. The lemon is like super strong aromatic. Yeah, it's bitter. It's a bitter finish. Oh, this is a crazy episode. You didn't expect just from random stuff so much trouble. Anyways, next product. So let's go back to milk replacement. So this is a world famous Alpro, and these are the blueberries. It tastes new. I hope this is now refreshing. Oh no, there's all this bitter lemon on there. So I have to get out of my mouth. Okay, now this blueberry. Okay. This is nice. This is bread and butter. It's awesome. The consistency is sort of liquid, waterish, but the taste is very nice. So we got 2 products left, both are milk. So let's do the picks in the end. Here we go, porridge. I took this because it sounds fancy, porridge. It's warm and cold, yeah. I don't have time. And sort of, this seems to be the same cup like the Mövenpick somehow. Okay. Let's eat this. The summer at the bottom. Yeah. It's totally like milk rice vibes. It's like feels like the brother product of milk rice, only weaker. So, here's advertisement in the inside of this label. Yeah, when you chew it, you have this little oat pieces, which I personally think it's annoying to chew on. This makes me, this is strange. I want to have now real milk rice and not this porridge. So let's see how I will rate it. And now the pigs. Müller corner. My old friend. Okay. Wow, this is pink. So it's some proper lid licking. This is straightforward strawberry. Yoghurt, quite good. Would you realize that this should resemble pigs? Let me know, write a comment. So first I get, this is a dirty spoon, isn't it? So this would make a nice thumbnail. Here is the stuff in the background. Okay. So let's eat it. Okay. So the very good base yogurt gets off like a fancy component, the crunchy. This crunchy cereal stuff, which works quite well, I would say. Now it's logbook time. Yep. So here we go. I already prepared the product names. So, only thing I need to do, get the pens and do some coloring. Alrighty, so I start off with the easy one, say Müller. Corner picks. I think it's good. Yeah, it's a good concept. Will be a good concept in 100 years. Anyways, so I also think Alpro blueberry is awesome. This is definitely something I will rebuy. Hey, this drink here I definitely won't rebuy. Maybe you like. I don't think a single person likes this typical oat taste in the mouth. Is there somebody who likes? Yeah, I don't want to rate gourmet. I go up straight figure. Then this Mövenpick, yeah, you could. Yeah, I will. I don't know. I have eaten a lot, but not bitter dairy products. So I don't give gourmet as well. I give fail. And then the porridge. Okay. The porridge I give draw. Actually, there's nothing wrong with the porridge. Only that it's feels like the little brother of the milk rice. So. Okay. Here we go. Okay, there we have it. Maybe I put them all into the frame and then I finish the video. Here we go. Here they all are. This beautiful products, which I just bought in a supermarket. So yeah, this is all German market stuff. Yeah, last time somebody wrote that these kind of videos are very interesting, but the person who wrote it could not buy anything because she is from Asia. Yes. As is like, yeah, so everybody in the world basically can see what is the situation in Germany on my channel. And maybe there are also channels from Asia who show their products. Alright, thanks for watching and see you soon.